I am going to walk through how unlimited Shopify integrations will simplify and revolutionize your bookkeeping, making your life so much easier. Hey, my name is Arjun. I'm the CEO of Doola.com. Doola is a business in a box for e-commerce, and we are a venture-backed tech startup based here in New York City that has successfully raised over $13 million of venture capital from some of the world's best investors, including Y Combinator, Nexus Venture Partners, HubSpot Ventures, and notable angel investors like Cody Sanchez, Graham Stephan, Sahil Bloom, and more. I promise you, by the end of this video, you will understand exactly how unlimited Shopify integrations will allow you to automate and streamline your bookkeeping, saving you time and reducing errors. I'll cover this in a few steps. I'll first run through why bookkeeping is really a challenge for Shopify sellers. I'll then go through how manual bookkeeping will have a bad impact on your business. I'll cover how integrations lead to automation. I'll then give you some of the best options for integrations, and then I'll run through how to actually get things set up. When it comes to running an online business, one of the most critical aspects is bookkeeping. And if you're using Shopify, you're probably aware the potential for Shopify integrations to transform your bookkeeping practices. Really, the possibilities are endless. And I want to show you how these integrations will actually revolutionize the way you manage your finances. That might sound a bit dramatic, but it really will. As an e-commerce business owner, you know how daunting bookkeeping can be. Things like manual data entry, inaccurate financial tracking, and endless hours spent reconciling accounts are just some of the few common struggles that we e-commerce entrepreneurs face. It's not only time-consuming, but it's prone to errors, which will lead to serious financial consequences. Now, look, it's not your fault. You are not alone in the struggle. This is the most common pain point we've heard from thousands of e-commerce businesses who face similar challenges. In fact, according to a recent study, nearly 70% of small business owners spend more than 10 hours a week on bookkeeping tasks alone. That's a stupid amount. That's significant, which could be better spent on anything, but especially spent on growing your business. Now, I want to go into some of the consequences of poor bookkeeping. They can be severe. If you don't have the right financial tracking, that can lead to cash flow problems, and that manual data entry is a breeding ground for error. You also might just forget to manually update so you don't even have the data there. So it's no surprise why so many entrepreneurs feel overwhelmed and frustrated with bookkeeping systems. But here's the thing. What if you could automate and streamline these processes, freeing up more time to focus on what really matters, which is growing your business and increasing revenue? Imagine having up-to-date, accurate financial records at your fingertips without having to lift a finger. And that is the power of Shopify integrations and having unlimited integrations with your bookkeeping solution. By automating tasks such as data entry, which comes from integrations, reconciliation, which again comes from having integrations, you can then focus on making strategic business decisions rather than getting bogged down in the paperwork or manually uploading data. Now, I actually want to run through a few software solutions which have integrations that you can use to actually integrate everything into one place. So one is QuickBooks. QuickBooks is popular. It allows you to sync your Shopify sales into one account, eliminating the need for manual data entry, giving you financial tracking. Another tool is Zoho Books. This will actually enable you to automate tasks such as invoicing, reconciling, and tracking expense. You can also, with the Zero integration, connect your Shopify store to your accounting system to streamline things. However, my recommendation here is actually going to be Doola Bookkeeping, which is specifically built for e-commerce. So not only is there software, you can connect as many accounts as you have in terms of your e-commerce platforms. There truly are unlimited integrations when it comes to Shopify. So you can connect your core Shopify account, but let's say you start to expand, which I'm guessing is the goal, and you have other platforms that you sell on. You can then connect those as well. You can connect as many business bank accounts as you have and credit card accounts. That's completely free. And what that allows with unlimited integrations is everything is in one place. So all your transactions show up, all your accounts are there. You can even connect personal accounts if you want to manage the personal side of your life there as well. And once the transactions are there, that then allows you to see things like your inflows, your outflows, your profit at a glance, and the Doola bookkeeping software can actually automatically generate key financial statements, such as your cash flow statement, your profit and loss, and your balance sheet. But the best part is, yes, it's really intuitive software. It's actually fun to use, dare I say. But look, the truth is, as an entrepreneur, you don't really want to do the bookkeeping, right? You don't want to put the transactions in and categorize them and do the reports yourself. You want someone you can trust to do it. And the trust part is key because if you can't trust someone to do it, what's the point of paying someone or outsourcing it? You might as well do it on your own. So Doola Bookkeeping, we actually have bookkeepers and CPAs, actual humans on the team in-house who will actually do your bookkeeping categorizations for you, and come tax season can do your business taxes for you. What that allows you to do is completely offload the stress and time here so you can focus on what you do best while Doola handles the rest. Now, I want to actually finish off with a compelling case study from a business that worked with Doola, implemented unlimited integrations, and saw massive efficiencies. So there was an e-commerce business owner on Shopify who was actually spending over 20 hours per week on bookkeeping alone. And that came because there were manual processes, they were manually importing transactions, and they were going back and catching mistakes. So after integrating the Shopify store with Doola Books, their business bank accounts, their credit card accounts, and everything, the result was they actually spent less than an hour per week on their bookkeeping because Doola actually handles it for them. The Doola dedicated bookkeeper, they still had full visibility into their books, but they were able to grow their business, and ultimately it led to an increase in revenue growth. So that is the key. Having unlimited Shopify integrations with bookkeeping will revolutionize your e-commerce business because what you're doing at the end of the day is you're automating, and you're automating with systems, and you're streamlining, which frees up more time to focus on growing your business and brand and increasing revenue. So in summary, unlimited Shopify integrations will simplify your bookkeeping. It will make your life much easier. And by automating tasks, you're ensuring accurate financial tracking, you're streamlining bookkeeping processes so you can focus on what you do best, which is making strategic business decisions rather than getting bogged down by paperwork. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. And most importantly, if you need expert help with bookkeeping, with taxes, with sales tax registration, managing your LLC, really anything for your Shopify business, please, you can book a free consultation and book a demo with Doola's experts today. We're happy to answer any questions for you on this process, and you can actually start a free trial of our bookkeeping solution by heading to Doola.com and clicking Start Free Trial. Thank you so much for watching. We want to help you with the back end of your business so you can focus on growth. Please comment below if you have any questions. We seriously want to help, and I'll see you in the next video.